The LEVERLOC shower safety grab bar is designed to provide support and balance assistance in the bathroom for elderly individuals, seniors, and those with mobility challenges. It offers a strong adhesive handle rail that does not require drilling, making it a convenient option for installation. Key features of the LEVERLOC shower safety grab bar include 1. Super strong adhesive. The grab bar utilizes a high-quality adhesive that is capable of holding up to 350 pounds of weight. This adhesive is designed to provide a secure and reliable hold on various surfaces, including bathroom tiles, bathtubs, toilets, and showers. 2. No drilling required. Unlike traditional grab bars that need to be drilled into the wall, the LEVERLOC grab bar offers a drill-free installation process. This feature eliminates the need for complex tools and reduces the risk of damaging bathroom surfaces. 3. Balance assist grip. The grab bar provides a firm and comfortable grip to assist individuals with maintaining balance and stability while using the bathroom. This can help prevent slips, falls, and other accidents, promoting a safer bathing experience. 4. Versatile placement. The LEVERLOC grab bar can be installed in various locations within the bathroom, such as next to the bathtub, shower, toilet, or anywhere else it may be needed. Its flexible placement options allow users to customize their setup based on their specific needs. It's important to note that while the LEVERLOC shower safety grab bar offers strong adhesive and claims to hold up to 350 pounds, it's always recommended to follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper installation and usage. It's also advisable to periodically check the grab bar's condition to ensure it remains securely attached. Before purchasing any safety equipment or mobility aids, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or occupational therapist who can assess your specific needs and recommend the most suitable options.